Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Where to Search. I'll be going over resources and tools to learn new things. I'm sure we have all had those moments where we didn't know how to do certain things, whether it be some technical stuff or some basic everyday stuff like cooking a meal. So if you're like me and curious about how to do things but don't know where to search for instruction, then you can check out these 5 websites. First one in my list is called Wikihow. You can just type Wikihow in any browser you're using and you'll get to this website. So basically, this website is online wiki style community consisting of an extensive database of how-to guides. It will help you learn with step-by-step illustrated instructions. So please do check out this website. So the second website on my list is called Instructable. So basically you can just type Instructable in any browser you're using and you'll get to this website. So Instructable is a website specializing in user created and uploaded do-it-yourself projects. And in this website, the other user can comment on and rate those DIY projects so you know which ones you can go and learn. So do go and check this website out. So third website on my list is called slowshare. You can just type slowshare on any browser you're using and you'll get to this website. So this website has how-to guides for your everyday software issue. You can follow step-by-step instruction with screenshots showed in the website. So you can check out this website if you have some software issues and don't know how to deal with them. So the fourth website on my list is called howcast. You can just type howcast on any browser you're using and you'll get to this website. So howcast is a website that provides you instruction in short form and how-to videos and also text content. So you can check this website out. So the fifth and the last website on my list is called ehow. You can just type ehow in any browser you're using and you'll get to this website. Basically, ehow is an online how-to guide with many articles and videos offering step-by-step instruction similar to the previous websites. So in this website, you learn how to do just about anything. So that's it for today's video. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video to people you think would like to learn something new.